Good morning. Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to show you how to turn that JPEG image you just turned into an SVG. We're going to show you how to put colors in it. Instead of having to go to Cricut now and do another step, you're already here. Might as well do it here. Sometimes it's easier here, sometimes it's easier in Cricut. But I'll show you both ways. Hence the channel called Cricut and Inkscape Help. Alright, let's get started. Click on the image. We're going to go to Path. Scroll down about the middle and hit break apart, and now you can see that the image all broken into tiny little pieces, right? You're gonna deselect, we're gonna go to object, and you're gonna select the third option. It says fill and stroke. You're gonna get a little window that's gonna pop up on your right. Okay, now we're gonna start selecting parts of his body to color in. Let's start with his gloves, which are the easiest one. You're gonna click it, you're gonna see how it's selected. There's another glove here, so we're going to hold shift and select that. You're going to come down to the color palette and select your color. You're going to do the same thing for the face. You're going to find the face spot here, and hold shift, and there's another spot. Nope, you don't want that. That's selecting the whole image. So if you want, just do that one at a time. Let's find a color palette. And I found that this color right here matches pretty well. It's called DEAA87. That has a pretty good skin tone color. So you can find the other part of his face. There we go. See? That's the other part of his face. That's the glove. Just hit Control Z if that happens. And it just sometimes you just gotta just keep clicking around until you get the image. I think it's that one right there. There we go. Alright. Let's find his pants. So that right here. Select that. Let's go find the red. So now do the buttons. There's one. Hold shift and select the other button. Find the white. And the same thing for the shoes. Select, hold shift, select, and then his shoes are not yellow. So let's go find a yellowy tone, kind of like a. There you go, like more like a cartoony yellow, I like to call it. If you're having problems down here, you can also go to the right where the fill and stroke paint is, and then tinker with the colors there. Like you can make here, and then you can make the color changes. See, you can make them darker. I don't like messing with this because it's more complicated, but it's another option to like get the color that you want. Let's go back to the skin color. See if we can find something darker. More peachy. This is better. FB380. Seems like a more. The other one looked pale. This one, that's a lot better. That one is FFB380. In case you want to do the skin color, it makes it a lot better. See? Look how simple that was. We could exit out of this fill and stroke. And as you can see, all his arms are there. Nothing missing. That's it. You're done. It's that simple. So now we're not done yet, at least to save it yet. Now if we want to save it, we're going to select it all. See how all the layers are selected? We're going to go to Object. We're going to select Group. So now it's just one image. See? And if you want to confirm this, hit Control C. And as you can see, everything breaks apart. You see it? The colors, everything breaks apart. Right. So we're going to select everything, Object, and find the group. And that's just one image. And we're going to go to File, Save As, name it David Mickey. You're going to go to Save As Type, select that, and hit the second option, which is a plain SVG. You're going to go up top and find the folder that you want to save it in. I have a specific folder. And save it. And then I will go back again, save it again. But this time, when you go to Save As Type, select Cairo PNG. So then you can actually see the picture, because when you save in PS and SVG, if you look up back here, it's just going to show you an icon. It's going to be a different icon on your computer, I'm sure. Mine chooses Internet Explorer icon, and it won't let you see the image. But if you save it as a Cairo PNG, see, now you can see the image. And then when you're going to use it, you just use the one that says SVG. That just helped with finding stuff faster. Okay, we're done. It wasn't that bad. I know it's a simple image. If you would like to see a more complex image, you can leave me a comment, and I will do a more complex image, and then we go from there. So for now, enjoy, like and subscribe to the channel, share with your friends if anybody's having an issue. If you have an idea for a video or maybe something you're stuck in that you can't figure out, let me know, and I'll try to make a video and help you out. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.